Today we have a Q50. We're about to do the alpha intakes for this car. It's the turbo one, so pretty much plug and play. Not plug and play, but drop in, take the old one out, put the new one, pretty much. All right, so let's get it. Okay, first things first, let's take out these corners on both sides. All you do is pull up carefully. Okay. Okay. You don't need that much, just like this. Put it to the side. Same thing with this side. Okay. Put this to the side. Now I gotta take off this right here. The clips. Take off these clips. Right here. Take those off. If you got this, use that. Okay. Boom. Okay, as you see, boom, 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 shit, boom, 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 and boom. Right in here. Oh shit. Okay. Now, take this off. Let's pull up. Put it over here. See how dirty this filter is? Look at how dirty this filter is. Look at that. I don't think they never changed it since they got the car. Okay, remove these 10 mils. Okay. Now remove this right here. Boom, boom, and don't remove this. Okay, don't forget that one. You gotta remove that. She did that first, but whatever. It is what it is. Oh shit! Oh shit! Hopefully, shit comes out clean. Okay, good enough. All right. Now pull this out. Oh yeah, there's a thing down there. So let's pull this out first. The front. Pull this out. Watch out for the Maxwell sensor. You ain't trying to break that. Let's take off the Maxwell sensor just in case. Let's disconnect that. Okay. Put your hand in there. If you have big hands, I feel bad for you. You can't reach. Okay, got it. Alrighty. Let's decide. Okay, look at this shit. Psst. Okay, now let's continue. These things will. Let's wait on this one. Let's do the other side. Should be a little easier. Okay, so got the other side filter. Look at this shit. Anyways, try to take this off. Right here, popped up already. Now let's at least take this face off. Okay, so you gotta push down and you gotta pull up on this. So this thing come out. There you go. Same thing with this side. Push down. Then take it out. Okay. But anyways, let's disconnect the Maxwell sensor. Okay. Now, there's an 8 right here, 8 mil. Let's loosen that and pull it off. Okay. Okay, see, you don't have this extendo. Oh, I feel bad for you. Because it'll make it way easier. Now, let's pull this. Pull on it. Okay, well, there you go. Stock garbage. Some people like it, some people don't, and I'm the don't. I don't like it. Don't throw this because the Maxwell sensor on there. You gotta take that off actually. So it's probably, hopefully it's an 8 mil. Nope, it's a 7. If you don't have 2 of these, I feel bad for you. But if you're not a mechanic, it will be a waste of money. Okay, be careful with those. Careful with this sensor. Make sure I'm put it right here. Since it's the driver's side, put it right here with the bolts. Put it upside down like shit. Yeah, let's put it like this. Okay, this is the sensors up here. Okay, see? All we gotta do is get the new one, slap that on there. We are going to need this, so don't throw it out, okay? Okay, so if you don't know, this is the passenger side because it has this on it, and this is the driver's side. Going like this, okay? Okay, now you have to unscrew this thing. Unscrew this off. Okay, so basically the same way you took out the stock one, you put it back. You see how I took this off? Same way, you see the master sensor, it was facing the engine, well, firewall. You put it just like this on here. Make sure you put this clip or this over it first, then you put this, then you tighten it, okay? Then you put this over here. All right, let's do that right now. Okay, just like this. Now we're going to, I mean, you could do this after, but I want to do it now. Put this like this. Okay, for this they give you these type screws. Let me see right here. Okay, you see this, that part on the top, you have to go inside like this. See that? The way I put it, now I have to squeeze it in there to make it fit, so I can screw the bolt down there. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so I just pressed it in there with a vise, as you see. Okay, just like that. Okay, once you have it in, you have to put the screws in here, these holes. I don't know what you call this, but I just pulled it out. But yeah, you put it in there and tighten it. I don't know what size this is, so can't help you with that one. Okay, so let's put the filter on. This is what I use to tighten the filter bolt on there, the clamp. So I do an extendo, little mini extendo with an 8, and if you have a ratchet or electric ratchet, you do that, tighten it, and it should be good. Now let's put the top on there. That's the cover over there. Okay, put the bolts on, and that should be good for this side, driver's side. So just in case you're asking about what this do, it's for one of those holes in there. You have to put the screw in there, and I already did it, and basically hold it there. Yeah, if you want to do that. But this is stiff enough, man. I'm not gonna put it. It's up to y'all if y'all want to do that. I don't think this is needed. So if y'all want to put that, put it. I ain't gonna put mine. Okay. So yeah. So let's continue. Let's do the passenger side now. Okay. So this side is gonna be a little more difficult-ish. So you have to take that clip off. I don't know if you see it right there. You see it? Boom. Right there. You have to take that off. And the 8 that's down there, I don't know if it's right there. That's the 8 you have to get. Okay, so let's try to take this off. Okay, so I took the top of the filter off, or the back, so I can have some more room to reach in there. I'm gonna just take off the 8 because this is just a tube. The tube gonna hopefully it could come up, and I could just get that clamp from there. Oh, I could get from here, because you know there's a little more room now. Okay, so if you got one of these right here, you can reach in there and just clamp it off. I don't know if you see. Alright, I'm gonna try to take that off. Okay, as you see, I took it off. And now I'm gonna try to get to that 8 right there. It's gonna be a little difficult. So, let me try. If you have a little, 1/2-inch ratchet, you can reach in there with your hand without, you might scratch yourself. But yeah, reach in there and try to get that bolt if you can. Okay, if you're wondering how to take off the filter box over here, you just spread these with 2 flat heads and pull it up. Okay, this is how I reach in there. Got my ratchet with an 8 on there, a 1/2 inch 8, and I'm going to loosen it. Okay. Okay, that's good. I can pull this thing off. There you go. Now I'm gonna take this, transfer it over to this. But we're not gonna use this clamp. We're going to use this one right here. Okay, so let's do that right now. Once you transfer that over, same thing as the other side. Put the clamp, put your master sensor here, and put everything back together. Well, how we did it over there. Okay, so we'll do that. Just in case you was confused on the other side when I was saying about this bracket. You see how there's like there's like 3 holes here, as you see. This will go like over here, like so. See that? Like this. Wait. Okay, see? Like so. It'll be like this. You put the bolt there, and you put the rest of the holes is for your air filter. Well, the master sensor. Okay, just in case anybody was confused about that. Okay, so now I'm putting everything back together. You see, it's the same thing we did on this side. Well, on this side over here. So I put the cap on, put the 2 screws on the side, and we're gonna test drive. See if there's a difference. Okay, so let me wrap this up. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna wrap this up and go for a test drive. If I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Later.